Hello, this is Rikka, an electric workshop and electric sequence learning guide. Configure the Arduino PLC and check whether the time chart works in real time. Today's lesson is to understand the easy PLC-related time chart configuration and requirements, and check the operation. Take a look at the time chart configuration given on the screen. Now, confirm the contents requested by the time chart. First, it should operate when SSA on and SSB off. Second, press the push button PBA to light the lamp PLA. Third, when the push button PBB is pressed, the next lamp PLB is turned on. Fourth, when the push button PBC is pressed and released, the next lamp PLC is turned on. The push button action sequence is always PBA, PBB, PBC. If the order is changed, it will not work. After that, when the user presses the push button PBA again, the next lamp PLD is turned on. And when the push button PBB is pressed again, the next lamp PLE turns on. After that, when you press and release the push button PBC again, the PLA lights up again, and the lights turn on and off in sequence according to the button input. And finally, when the user inputs the selector switch SSC, all the operating lamps are turned off and reset. Now, let's see if it works like the time chart shown on the screen by connecting the Arduino PLC. If you understand the time chart, you can easily understand the operation configuration of each lamp. Start the motion test. World of Rikka. Thanks for watching. Please refer to learning. Subscribe check.